Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can see what you look like as a Studio Ghibli character. Select new project and select the photo that you want to see it in. Select add, select the photo, and you're going to actually select the photo editing bit here, and it's going to move you to Hypix, so make sure you download that first. And it's going to open up the project in Hypix. Select continue, and you're going to select the AI filters and to see what you look like as a Studio Ghibli animation. Select Jubilee Styles here, and it's going to be applied to your photos. On Hypix, you do have to download an extra, I don't know why it's in this style, but it's not super accurate. Then you're just going to select apply to CapCut. Then it's going to be applied to your photos. I don't know why it turned out like this, but I'm sure if you find like a better quality photo of yourself, it's not going to turn out like this, hopefully. But I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!